When diagnosing J5Create docking station issues, always start with the basics. Physical connections are the foundation of proper operation. Examine all cable connections carefully. Ensure the USB-C cable is firmly seated in both the docking station and your laptop. Loose connections cause intermittent failures. Display problems are the most common issue with J5Create docking stations. These typically stem from outdated DisplayLink drivers rather than hardware failures. The DisplayLink chip handles video output in most J5Create docking stations. When displays aren't detected or show flickering, the driver is usually the culprit. USB device recognition failures account for a significant portion of docking station issues. These problems often relate to power management settings in Windows. The power management setting shown here is a common culprit. When enabled, Windows can turn off USB hubs to save power, causing devices to disconnect unexpectedly. Statistics show that 68% of all J5Create docking station issues are driver-related. This makes proper driver management crucial for reliable operation. Power cycling resolves many temporary glitches, especially the Monday morning syndrome where 40% of issues occur after weekend shutdowns. Simply unplug the docking station for 10 seconds, then reconnect. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced techniques focus on hardware compatibility and driver integrity verification. These deeper diagnostic steps can resolve the most persistent docking station issues. Cable quality is critical for reliable docking station performance. Using certified, high-quality USB-C cables prevents 30% of display and connectivity problems. Substandard cables are a leading cause of intermittent failures. Firmware updates implementing intelligent power management resolve persistent USB connectivity issues. These updates optimize power delivery prioritization, preventing device disconnections during high-demand operations like video calls. Proactive driver management reduces issues by 60%. Regular updates are essential, as 60% of driver problems coincide with major Windows updates. Automated update scheduling prevents most compatibility conflicts. Environmental factors significantly impact docking station reliability. Adequate ventilation prevents 80% of thermal-related failures. Poor airflow causes thermal throttling, leading to display instability and USB disconnections. When advanced troubleshooting steps are exhausted, comprehensive support resources provide model-specific solutions. J5Create maintains detailed documentation, community forums, and technical support channels for persistent issues.